Here we have a French clock. I am not French, I never took French, but I think it is pronounced Morbier, Comtoise, if I'm not mistaken. These were some of the first clocks the French would be putting in their houses. These were usually in farmhouses for rather wealthy farmers. They have a special repeat feature on them. I'll tell you why in a minute. But these were for the farmers to be able to come in and recognize, I guess, dinner time, lunchtime, I'm not sure. They're also very large. The wall hangers, some were enclosed in tall cases. As the tall cases became popular, you can actually see these exactly like this inside of a grandfather type clock. It's pretty interesting. But I'm going to move closer, and as you may have noticed with my other French clock, the French had a way with embellishment. So this is the pendulum. It's well over 3 feet long. I'm not sure exactly, but I can't even get the whole clock in because of that. So this is tin. Here is the hand-painted porcelain label. Beautiful. It's in really good condition too. I got this clock from my brother-in-law, who knows I like clocks, and he was cleaning out someone's house and they were gonna donate it or get rid of it, I don't know, and he said, I know someone that might like that. And they actually thought this was he was told the story about this clock, that it was from the couple went over to Paris to get this clock and had it shipped back, and then he had an ad for a 1960s or 1950s reproduction of this type of clock. Well, after I took some time to look at it and take it apart, I have realized this is not a reproduction. This is an original, early 1800s, I'm guessing 1820s maybe, French Morbier Comtoise. So this was in someone's house in France. Okay, here is the repeating feature. They did this. Here's the bell. The bell is to sound the half hour and the hour. And I will show you. Here goes 8 o'clock. And the reason for the repeat, does anyone like to guess? It was in case you were out in the fields, thought you heard the clock chiming, but weren't sure. So you could cup your ear and listen towards the house, and in 2 minutes it will ring again and repeat. So you can make sure you heard what you thought you heard. Interesting, isn't it? Pretty good thinking. Let's see what the inside looks like. I have the back off because these sat on shelves. This would have sat on a small shelf on the wall, and there is no hole in the back for a nail or a hanger. I took the back tin piece off in order to hang it on my wall for these pictures. So this is the inner workings of an early 1800s French clock. It actually is really beautiful. Now you could take this for a remake or reproduction, because the reproductions were made an exact duplicate of these, except they were made with modern technology and modern parts, so you would be able to tell if it was new or not. And you can see the old dial, the old painting. That's the back of the dial, and the gears. So let's see if we can see any better on this side. Oh, there's the repeat feature. You can see that, the half hour. You can see that big fan there to slow down the chime. See, that's the fan. It's actually for wind resistance, to make it chime at a decent speed instead of really quickly. Here goes 9 o'clock. And then the repeat at 2 minutes after 9. Boy, is that a hazard, huh? Let's see if we can do that again. .30, 10 o'clock. And then 2 minutes after, a repeat. Hey, did I hear 10 o'clock? I guess I did. I better come in for the night. Okay, so look at the way these are made. Such a beautiful movement inside there. Everyone has different likes. I happen to like this clock for its uniqueness. I'm not going to say anything about their style. It is just a beautiful clock to look at. If anyone knows French, maybe you can tell me what that says. Okay. And, as always, thanks for watching.